and Beaus, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer of Custom Chic, and if you're new here, let me be the first to welcome you. My channel focuses on fashion, travel, and just overall lifestyle. So if that is the kind of content that you are into, then I would encourage you, of course, to subscribe, share, like, definitely hit that bell notification so you know each time a video is posted. I upload every Wednesday and every Friday, and if you don't do so already, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's my other favorite social media platform. My handle is customs_chic. Again, that is customs_chic. On today's edition of Flash Fashion Friday, this is one of my favorite type of videos. This is one of your favorite type of videos. I see that you guys really love these, and it is a pack with me. Yes, I have my suitcase over there, my handy dandy trusted DVF suitcase I've had since law school. Like, this thing has been everywhere and anywhere. It has gotten me through some of the longest layovers, missed flights. I've only missed 2 flights ever in my life, so that's not like a thing, right? It's not like an ongoing thing, but I love this thing. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit and we can get right into it on this Flash Fashion Friday. Today's outfit, I am wearing my new favorite co-ord set from Zara. It is this deep chocolate brown, oh my gosh, it's so good. This deep chocolate brown sweatsuit and sweat pant. These are both in a size medium. The price point for each piece was $45.90. I talked about these recently in my Zara fall haul, so if you haven't checked that out, don't play yourself. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the card so that you guys can see it. I love this. It's completely sold out. Zara does have something that is comparable to this, but it's a lot thinner in material. This is just a regular cotton fabric, but I feel like they doubled up on it just so that it's warm. I'm actually going to wash this and bring it with me to Chicago. It's going to be one of my other looks because for $45.90 per item, this needs to be outside. Like, this is just not, you know, leisure wear to wear in the house. Like, my life is not even set up that way. Look at this mirror. I just cleaned it and already. Oh gosh. Okay, really quickly, let's finish. And then I paired this with this bejeweled headband that I purchased from, excuse me, that ring light is tripping. I got this from Amazon actually, and it was $14.90. Amazon Prime, I ordered it Saturday and it was here Sunday afternoon, so I will link this in the description box. I also purchased a couple of other headbands for my good girlfriend at Graffiti Garb. I will link those below as well because I do plan to wear those in Chicago. Costume chain link necklace from Forever 21. Also costume jewelry, gold studs. I buy these literally by the dozen because I go through them so quickly throughout the year. I probably should invest in a pair of this real gold studs, but they're also very easy to lose, so I figure it's just worth the while and probably the headache to just keep reordering these. So that is my outfit. I don't have any shoes on because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just filming this video, and back there are the clothes that I'm going to pack. Those are the folded items, and back there on my rack are the jackets and boots that I'm packing. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I've shown you guys my outfit, and I have shown you guys, or at least I pointed out, the folded items that I'm going to be taking with me. And behind me on my rack is some of the items that I will be bringing. Not everything that's hung up is coming with me. That is my packing space / holding space. New items go there, items that I'm thinking about styling for photo shoots and stuff like that. So don't fret, I'm not taking all of that with me. Now, if you have seen a pack with me video before, I have done inclement weather maybe once or twice, but I usually am going somewhere warmer, so I typically have different packing tips for, like, depending on your destination. My #1 rule of thumb, if you are going somewhere that is colder, wear your heaviest item. What do I mean? I'm taking with me 3 pairs of high-heeled boots. While they're heavier and they're longer, they're adjustable and easy to fold, so I can just put them in my suitcase. Whereas I have a pair of boots, chunky boots from Public Desire, and those suckers are heavy. Let me show you. Here are the boots. So if you guys see this and they look familiar, they are a dupe of the Prada Monolith boot, but they are extremely heavy. I don't want to lose any space in my suitcase that I do not have to, so I'm actually going to travel with these. I'm going to wear these with a pair of leggings, super thick leggings, because when I land in Chicago, it's going to be like 42 degrees. I'm coming from 79, 80 degrees, so right. I need to be warm. So I'm gonna wear these with one of my jackets, because I'm taking 2 jackets with me. Instead of stuffing everything in here and thinking about what the weather is like from my origin, I'm thinking about what the weather is gonna be like at my destination. So I'm gonna drop these, and then we're gonna get into the first thing I'm going to pack. The first item that I'm gonna pack is one of the jackets that I'll be bringing with me. I have talked about this before. This is my H&M jacket. I have not had an opportunity to wear it, and Chicago is going to be the perfect place to wear it. One, because it's gonna be cooler. This is actually really warm, but it's not warm enough for 48-degree weather. So I'm definitely planning on layering this. But because this is a heavier piece, I don't just want to fold it and put it in my suitcase, because if I did that, it will take up all of the space. When I say all of the space, I mean all of the space. So what I'm gonna do is, and I'm gonna try to adjust my camera so that you guys can see this. So this is the jacket. It's pretty heavy. This is a size small. If you didn't see this, I feature this on an H&M haul that I did recently, and I will tag that as well in the cards if you guys are interested in watching. So what I just did is I laid the jacket down inside of my suitcase and left it open. So I'm going to lay all of my other pieces inside the jacket, and then when I'm done, I'm just gonna close it up like a pretty little bow and make sure everything is right. So first things that I'm going to get is my pajamas and my fleece undergarments. So any long sleeve shirts that I need to bring, and any tights that I'm also packing with me, I'm just gonna put them in the suitcase and separate them throughout. Okay, so I plan to layer a lot in Chicago because it's going to be cool. I don't want to wear a lot of things because we are going to be doing some walking around, so I don't necessarily want to have on too many things, be frumpy and chunky, and just like, and I plan to go shopping too. Like, I need to have the energy to hold the bags, okay? So a lot of my pieces are going to be layering pieces. So first what I'm gonna do is put in all of my layering tops. I'm bringing 3 because I'll only be out 3 days. I'm not overpacking, so I don't need to do all of that. I'm not packing 5 because, and I say 5 because one, I'll be traveling, right, on Thursday, and then I'll also be traveling back coming on Sunday. But I don't need that many because I'll have my coat. So while I'm on the plane, I'm gonna be warm enough with my coat, and then I'll just get into my Uber to get to my destination. So I'm only packing 3 because those are the only 3 that I need for the daytime. Right, so now I have my fleece bottoms in there. You see that I'm like separating them in different corners of the suitcase. I don't like to put everything in one spot when I'm initially packing, because one, I feel like you need to distribute your weight evenly, so as you pack you can see how much room you have. Big faux pas, like especially with jeans and heavier items, don't put them all in the same spot, because that one spot of your suitcase is going to be heavy, and before you know it, you're going to get to 50 pounds and it's going to be a disaster. So now I'm going to pack my jeans. Actually, let me take a step back. I'm actually gonna put in a pair of boots on the bottom, so that way I'm not trying to like flip around. One of my boots are tall and they don't have a lot of like give, so they need to lay flat, that way they keep their shape and then they travel well as well. Now I put my first pair of boots in, and then I rearranged and put my knits in there, and then I put my leggings in there. I almost forgot about those boots, and I was like, girl, you have a lot of boots. You need to figure that out, make sure it works. So now let me put my pajamas in, my pair of jeans, and my travel home outfit. I know, the suitcase looks like it's completely stuffed, but don't you fret. There's a lot of room in there. I'm just putting the heavier things and the items that are bulkier. That way when it's time to like really fold up and finish the suitcase, I can stuff things in those little empty pockets that are hiding room. I'm telling you, there's a method to this madness. You can literally pack all the stuff that you need. I am also taking cosmetics with me and my computer with me, but that will be in my carry-on. I'll try to pack that so that I can show you guys how I do that. It's super simple. Also my makeup case is actually very boxy, so I'm gonna put that at the bottom of my carry-on, and then I'm gonna put my computer on the side, my planner. All of the books that I read are electronic, so that's not a huge deal, and any other electronics like my camera, for instance, because I'll be vlogging while I'm out there, and then any other shoes. So let's get into the rest of it. I'm also shipping 3 items to Chicago so that I have those outfits to wear, and then I also want to make sure that I leave room for any shopping that I may do. So it's not going to be a ton of shopping, but just a little bit of shopping, so also, you know, take note that if you're gonna pack a whole bunch of stuff that is heavy, make sure you leave room in there for the items that you may purchase while you are on vacation. So let's get to the next items and I'm gonna put it in the suitcase. Next up, I'm gonna be packing my going out outfits, and I'm gonna pack this one at the top because it's the first thing that I'm going to need. We do plan on going out Thursday night, so the outfit that I'm going to need the first or the most, or yes, the outfit that I'm gonna need first, y'all. That's the outfit that I'm going to pack at the top of the suitcase, so I'm not rummaging through everything, messing up the beautiful work that I've done. Not doing that. So I'm packing the first outfit and then you'll see how that goes. Okay, so I got my first nice outfit in there, and I'm gonna pack the boots that I'm going to wear with that as well, because again, I don't want to be rummaging through all that stuff. I want to be able, when I land, jump in the shower very quickly and then bring my stuff in, okay? Because these boots are foldable, I'm not worried about the structure or how these are going to look. I'm just gonna place them inside the bag. And remember, we thought that there was no room, but there's plenty of room in here. I'll probably have to mess around with that a little bit, but there's definitely room in there. So like this area right here, this window, there is tons and tons and tons of room. Like I can still fit some stuff in there. So I'm now going to pack my outfit for Saturday night. We plan on going to Nobu for dinner, and that's just nice, a nice little slinky dress that I'll wear tights with. So because it's like foldable or whatever, I can just store it right in there. So this is the dress. I happen to have gotten this from Ross. This is from the brand Vibe Sportswear. It's a size large. I got it for $10.99. I would link it down below, but I'm not sure that anybody can find it. So because this is like a little scrunch ball, I can literally just scrunch it like this. It's not going to lose its shape. It's not going to lose anything. And then I'm just stuffing it right in here. Or if I wanted to, I could literally put it here. I'm not going to do that because that's the area where I'm going to put my socks. Remember, Chicago, it's going to be cold. I'm going to need some thicker socks. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this right here in the suitcase. And then I just have one more pair of boots and then we are done. I lie, there's one more thing. I'm wearing this top. It is a crew neck top, vegan leather, also from Express. If you haven't seen this, I have all the details in my Express/Misguided haul. I'm actually wearing these with the jeans that we packed earlier on today. So I'm gonna fold this. I'm actually going to turn this inside out. I don't know why, it's just a habit of mine to fold clothes that could get dirty. There's no cosmetics in here, so that's not gonna happen, but honestly, I just wanna make sure that I have that is in there and it's just not going to get messed up for anything. So all right, I'm putting it in here again because there's no real structure to it. It's gonna pack just fine and it'll be okay. So I'm gonna test this. Still pretty lightweight. If I can hold it like this, it's still fine. I don't really have much else to pack in here but some shoes, so I'm pretty much ready to go. The things that I'm ordering from Chicago are fine. They're super light, so it doesn't matter. I'm still thinking about this. I'm gonna wash this and pack it in here as well. Obviously, while not while we're in the video, but you get it, right? I'm gonna add this in here. Again, super easy. There is no right here. I can feel it. I have tons of space, so I'm actually gonna enter it this way and make sure it goes all the way to the bottom of the suitcase, and then I'm gonna grab the other pair, which is right here, and then I'm gonna fold it the same way as I did the other one, and I'm gonna lay it as if it was like in the shipping box. You know how they ship you the shoes, how they do the inverse? So I'm gonna do that so it lays flat. I'm not gonna worry about the heel breaking or anything because it's inside of the suitcase, and then this is also gonna be shielding it, so they'll be totally protected and it's totally fine. Okay, so I have enough room in here for this outfit. I just need to get some chunky socks, but let me just close this up so that you guys can see what I mean by folding this as a beautiful little bow. So I'm just literally gonna take this and fold it. Take my straps. If my straps were out, I can probably do one side so that you guys can see it. Well, let me look. Let's make this look a little prettier. There you go. So that tag is all the way down there, not trying to be great. Here we go. So that's nice and covered. Here it is. Suitcase is packed. There's still some room here on this side. There's still some room. There's plenty of room here. So that's still good. I would leave that part alone. Again, socks will go in there. I've already put my undergarments in here, so that's it, y'all. We are packed. So that is all that I have. If you guys have any questions or you have any suggestions, you would like to see something demonstrated a little bit better, you would like to see something illustrated a little bit longer, let me know. Let me know down in the description box. Hop in my DMs over on Instagram, customs_chic. For my accessories, before I go, I will also pack that with me because those tend to be a little bit delicate. So I'm going to check this bag, and then I also have this bag that is going to come with. And it seems small, but this bad boy holds a lot. So I'm gonna be nice and covered. I feel great about this. Great packing. This was 13 minutes it took me. It probably is gonna be a little bit sped up for you all because one, is Flash Fashion Friday, and two, nobody wants to see all the gory details. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching. If you stuck around this long, you definitely know what to do. Make sure you hit the like button, you share, you subscribe, you hit that bell notification so you know each time I upload a video. And come back, do come back, because I'm doing an entire vlog of my Chicago experience. I appreciate you all for watching. Bye Zoe, bye Joshua, bye Asani. I love y'all. Bye-bye.